Today I'm making a rich, buttery, garlicky chicken dish with a secret ingredient that might raise an eyebrow: anchovies. Don't panic, they're not here to taste fishy. They're here to make everything taste amazing. Start with 2 pounds or 900 grams of chicken. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Simple, classic, no drama yet. Let that sit for about 10 minutes so it can get its life together. Heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and let it cook undisturbed for 5 to 6 minutes per side. We're not flipping every 10 seconds. This is not a commitment issue. Let it build that golden crust. Look at that color. That's flavor knocking at the door. Once done, remove the chicken and set it aside. Now, lower the heat to medium, and here comes the plot twist. Add 5 to 6 anchovy fillets and 3 tablespoons, 42 grams of butter right into the pan. Yes, you heard that right. 5 to 6 anchovy fillets and 42 grams of butter. Watch them melt down into the butter. Those anchovies just seem to disappear. They disappear like they were never there, but they leave behind this deep, savory flavor that makes people say, "What is this?" That's your secret weapon. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic and a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Let that cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant, just until your kitchen smells like you know what you're doing. Pour in 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters of chicken broth. Then scrape up all those brown bits from the bottom. That's not a mess, that's flavor. Add the chicken into the pan. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly and hugs the chicken like it missed it. Now for the glow up. Add 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, plus 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. Spoon that glossy, garlicky, buttery sauce right over the top. And just like that, you've got a 1-pan chicken dish that tastes like you worked way harder than you did. Serve it over some mashed potatoes, buttermilk mashed potatoes. And those anchovies, gone, invisible, legends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.